What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since I shared a strategy. So today I decided let me feed my ATG family with a strategy. So if you want to be part of the ATG family, kindly click the subscribe button and turn your notification bell and like this video, guys. It's pretty much that simple. Alright, guys. On a more serious note, if you want to join our Telegram group, I know it's been quiet for quite some time now, but great things are coming to the group. So make sure you have your seat. Make sure you have your seat. So all you have to do is click the link down below. It will lead you to my Telegram channel, or go follow me on my Instagram and DM me if you want us to chat a little bit. Maybe you have questions that you want to ask. So the link is down below again for the Telegram channel and for the for my Instagram page where we can chat, right? So today we're going to be doing a boom and crash strategy. We're going to be doing a boom and crash scalping strategy. This is a strategy that you're going to be using in the 1 minute time frame, and it's been great, it's been powerful. Maybe let me show you the results that it has yielded. This is a demo account. This is demo. Don't worry, guys, this is demo. That's where I back test my strategies. As usual, every strategy that I give you, I would have tried and tested it, right, so that you guys get the best. But you can also try it. I know a lot of people who start to comment, doesn't work, blah blah blah. Yeah, but to me it works because I've tried and tested it. So, and I know there are people that get helped with these strategies on this platform, right? So there's no that need for all that fuss. So let me take you through the indicators that we have here. We have the awesome indicator here, and then we have the Ichimoku. Yeah, your main chart, which is this section. This section is going to be blank. It's going to be blank. It's so related to this other strategy that I posted. Comment down below if you remember. Comment down below if you remember. Comment down below if you remember. So I'm going to take you to the indicator section so that you see. So you can see on my main chart there is nothing, but on my indicator window I have the Ichimoku with these settings, right? 9,952 fill, and then where it becomes of importance, if you have a white background like me, I have a white background, right? If you have a white background like me, on your Ichimoku, the last three up Kumo, down Kumo, and then Shiko span should be white, right? If you have a black background, then these last three should be black too, right? These last three, 1, 2, 3 should be black, right? So make sure you get hold of that. Make sure you have that. So then I'll click done, and then the other indicator that I have is the relative strength index with period 6. Apply to close. Again, if you have a white background, make it white on your style. If you have a black background, make it black on your style, right? And then the levels that I have are 10, 20, 80, and 90. The description is pretty not necessary because you know as you go. And then I have a MACD. I have a MACD. So the MACD has a fast exponential moving average of 12, a slow one of 26, MACD, SMA of 9, apply to close. Again, on your first style, make it white. If you have a white background, make it white. If you have a black background, make it black, right? Make it black. Yeah, make it black, right? And then everything else, just leave it the same, and then click done. And then the last indicator that you need is the awesome indicator. You have to put it on the second indicator window, right? Don't put it on the first, on the second, right? Again, if you remember the strategy, comment down below where we use the awesome oscillator. Comment down below. It means you're a true fan, because I posted it, I think, 9 months ago or a year ago, right? So it means you're a true fan if you remember this. Okay, so you need to have an awesome oscillator like this, but here's one of the things that you have to consider. Your value up, which is this one, should be matching with the color of your bullish candlestick. So if your bullish candlestick is green, make sure your value up is green. If your bearish candlestick is red, make sure your value down is red, right? So make sure they match like this. My bullish candlestick is green, as you can see, and also my value up will be green and red. So just do the same on your side and we'll be good to go. So you should have these indicators like this. Make sure they're exactly like this, guys, so that you don't mess things up. Now, once you are done having this on your PC or on your phone, reduce the zoom level to the least zoom level that you can see, like this, right? And then move one zoom level up, right? Move one zoom level up. Move one zoom level up like this. That's one zoom level up. We want to use the second from last zoom level. This is important. We want to use the second from last. So bring it back down like this, and then just move one zoom level up like this. Okay, as simple as that. Now let's get into the strategy. So I'm going to start off. This video will be mainly focused on the use of it on a 1 minute time frame. I think I'll do a series of more as we increase time frames. So today I'll do the 1 minute time frame. Maybe tomorrow I'll do the 15 or the 30 or the 5, right? So I'm going to start off with the 1 minute time frame, and the 1 minute time frame is pretty easy. Remember, we are going against the spikes, right? So the first thing that you want to look at on your charts is you want to have these two lines, the blue and the red ones, which we set on our Ichimoku and on our MACD. This is for boom, so this applies to boom 1000 and boom 500. So your lines should be in the region of 90, anywhere in the region of 80 to 90, right? Anywhere from here, right? So this usually happens after a spike is okayed. So you wait for a spike to okay, and you wait and see if it pushed your lines to be in the region of 80 and 90 going up, from 80 onwards going up, right? And once you have done that, you wait for the color change here. Remember, it has to change. For boom, it has to change from green to red. So the moment it turns to red at this point, you're going to enter a sell. In this sell, we are going to target at least 5 candlesticks. So this is a 5 by 50. So this is a 250 pip trade, right? Remember, each single candlestick is roughly, this little small candlestick is roughly about 50 pips, right? Somewhere there. So times 5, that's 250 pips. So you're going to target 250 pips, right? 250 pips. Remember this. That's the minimum that you should get, right? So if you practice, you can then see how many more you can get, but you can actually get more. But for the sake of this video and my explanations, I'll just say get 250 pips. And 250 pips is a lot, guys. It's a lot, right? So you will never go wrong. The spike will never catch you here. It's impossible if you follow these conditions properly. if you follow these conditions properly. We're going to discuss this in the Telegram group too, so make sure you are in it. Make sure you are in it, and also share the Telegram channel so that everybody gets helped. Right? So, what did I say? I said make sure your lines here are above 80, and the moment it turns, it will turn. This green is because of these spikes, right? So the moment it turns to red, enter into a sell, get 5 candlesticks, get 250 pips out of it, right? At least 250 pips. You can try and see if you can get more, but 250 to 300 pips, you should get those ones. No questions, right? Let's take a look at other examples. So here, you don't have to enter a trade because not all conditions have been met. Here, you are going to enter. First of all, your lines are above. Secondly, you wait for them for awesome oscillator values to change from green to red. This is for boom. 2x for boom 500, 2x for boom 1000, which is this one, right? And then you get your 250 pips or 300 pips out of it. Simple as that. Again, yeah, get your 250 pips or more. You can actually get more. I know there are guys that really follow me. They'll test this out and they'll tell you you can get more. You can get more. Here, get your 250 pips and jump out. Right, you can see there was a stop hand here, yeah, but eventually it fell. A lot, but you could have even got, by the time the spike came, you would have your 300 pips already, and then it later on again fell again. So still, even if you are holding, even if a spike comes and you hold, you still get your share. Again here, some people will say it will repaint. It won't repaint. The awesome oscillator here is the only one that repaints. But your Ichimoku here and your MACD here do not repaint. I know there are guys that try to be smart and say it will repaint. No, try this, guys. I really started this channel to help you, guys. And maybe before I go, guys, trading is not easy. I have to make this disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. Please do not watch a couple of YouTube videos and start to think you can trade. You need to get proper training. I'm not marketing my courses, but yeah, if you need proper training, come get my course. You can also get courses from other traders out there which are really good. I'm not going to mention names, but you need to get proper training. Do not watch a couple of YouTube videos and start to think you are now ready to go. No, it doesn't work. You will lose money. Do not. This is meant for people that already have knowledge in trading, that are already good at trading, right? So basically I'm sharing with you guys. So, and this is also to make you have an idea of what trading is. This is not a full course where you can say I'm not starting trading on it. No, you need to get proper training. Unless you want to lose money first, then get the proper training later. Then that's up to you. Let's get to crash 500. And see if we get the same results. Okay, I'm having update problems. Okay, this time is the opposite. You're starting from the bottom, right? My chart refused to load this side, so I'm just gonna go wait it's ready, which is this section. Lines, you can see this is due to these spikes, this series of spikes. So my line here is in below 20, so it's 20 and going down to 0, right, which is this section, right? At the same time, this time is now different. We want the color change to be from red to green. Right? And once you do that, you get your 300 pips of going up, and then you jump out. Get a 300 pips of going up, and then you jump out. Same as well here. Sorry. Okay. My Instagram is fading me. Okay. Here again, same thing, goes up. Here it wasn't that much, but you can see you could still get something, but it won't be a good trade. It won't be that good of a trade. Okay, here clearly it was so dope. Clearly it was so dope. Maybe let's look at all indices so that you guys don't say we're actually in a sell for boom 500. Boom 500. If you're in my VIP, you know this sell. You know this sell I'm talking about. We're holding for 10 minutes, and that's 50 times 10. That's 500 pips. 500 pips in 10 minutes. You won't get that anywhere else. So in my VIP, they know this. But I used a different strategy though, just to confirm. Okay. Let's look at which one did we last look at? Was it Crash 1000? Maybe let's look at Crash 1000. Okay, I don't know what's happening. I think I have bad network. Yeah, I'm back. Please, no WhatsApp calls. Please. I will respond to your message. Do not WhatsApp call me, guys. I will respond. Again, we're on Crash, so we're looking at this side. If you're on Boom, we'll be looking at this top side, right? Color change from red to green, you get into your 300. You get your 300 pips, right? Simple as that. So I'm gonna leave my Instagram channel, my Instagram link, so that you can follow me and we can chat about this strategy. I'm also going to leave my Telegram channel so that if you wanna join, you can join us. If you wanna join the family, you can join us. And until next time, see you at the top.